Veridoc Global has developed a verification system that ensures that consumers are buying genuine pharmaceutical products that haven't been tampered with during shipping. Let us show you how this works. Most pharmaceutical products are manufactured under strict regulatory conditions. At some point, they need to leave the manufacturer and are shipped to wholesalers and retailers. Tracking is usually done via a barcode system that is connected to a central database. But how does the end user know for sure that what they are receiving is the same item that was made by the manufacturer? What if your medicine is switched with an inferior product? And how can anyone tell what the original is supposed to look like, right? We're going to show you just how easy it is to stop fake pharmaceuticals once and for all using the latest patented Veridoc Global technology. You might have seen QR codes before. They are starting to pop up everywhere on the side of buses and in magazines. Basically, a QR code is a two-dimensional barcode, and unlike a normal barcode, it can store a lot of information. So what we've done is embedded a QR code on the packaging with a hash inside this QR code. The hash holds a string of information that is then placed on the blockchain network for security, verification, and most important, end-user validation. The way it works is the manufacturer produces a QR code that is linked to a batch ID, and then the system gives the batch a unique hash. It then embeds that hash as a QR code on the packaging. Using a QR code reading app, all you do is hold it over the QR code of the packaging and it will scan it. The app will then show you information on the device for you to compare and see if the product you are looking at is an original or a fake. How this works is the system looks at that hash inside of the QR code and then checks the hash on the blockchain and displays batch information, such as expiry date, batch ID, and other identifiers that are linked to the hash. The technology might sound complicated, but the user experience is very simple. This stops pharmaceutical fraud because blockchain technology prevents the data and the QR code from ever being changed or removed. Another major benefit of this verification solution is that the QR code can be used to warn customers of product recalls. If a batch of medicine is ever recalled, customers will be able to see the recall information when they scan the QR code before consuming a product. The applications for this are endless. From baby formula, over-the-counter medicine, prescription medicine, the list just continues to grow. Veridoc Global, the future of pharmaceutical verification.